everyone, and welcome to a new unboxing video with me, Callie. Today we're going to be unboxing Endeavor Todoroki from My Hero Academia. I'm a big fan of this show, and I saw both of the movies in the theater with some friends. And I own quite a bit of these figures, actually. But since I restarted my channel, I thought it would be a great idea for me to show you guys the figure when I get it. So, let's take a look. So as you can see here, still sealed in the box. It's got the nice artwork on the side. Same in the back. I've got another figure of Todoroki, Shoto Todoroki, and then the same there. So, let's open it and take a look. And once again, I remembered to bring a knife, like I did my last unboxing video, so it makes it a little easier to be able to get inside the box. I said a little. And there we go. So, let's see what we have here. For those of you that haven't bought this type of figure before, they're pretty high quality for the price. Okay, so let's get this out of the box. I'm gonna set this over here. Okay, so we have some bubble wrap. And we have the different pieces of the figure. Most of the Bon Presto figures come like this in multiple different pieces, and you just put them together. So let's open it and put it together. I have quite a few of my hero figures, as I had said, and I had a coupon from Box Lunch to use for this figure, so I picked it up on sale. Normally the Bon Presto figures run about $25, depending on which ones you're trying to get. Some are more expensive. I think this one was less than 20. I think it was like 18 after my coupon. And one more piece. Okay. So we have all of our pieces out. Put this over here. So, as you can see, feet. Fiery feet. And this piece, as you can tell right here, has a little slot that matches this piece here. And so most of the Bon Presto figures are made this way, to where there's a top piece and a bottom piece. And usually they just slide right together. This one's a little stiff to get in there, but they're pretty sturdy, so once you get it in there, it usually stays. So you can see there's the bulk of Endeavor. Then we have his head. So, as you can see again, there's the way the piece goes in, and it matches. So you just slide the head in until it lines up. Pokey bits at the top. Kind of pokey. But there you have it. We have Endeavor. It's got his little pack on the side. Nothing really else with this costume. And his fire. This fire is pretty well designed, as you can see. So, yep, the boots are well made. So, then you have these little square pieces here. So what you do is you find, usually these are the same direction, so you just take and put, oh, they're not. Oh, they're way off. that's a first. I haven't had any that are that far off before. I wonder if they included the wrong stand with the figure. Yeah, because it doesn't even really connect. Wow, look at the difference in that. That's a huge manufacturing difference, unless they just put the wrong legs to the wrong part. So we're gonna stretch it apart. I haven't had one that was this far off in a while, if ever. Okay, let's try this again. So you just fit that piece there. Wow, that is really far off. Nope, we're getting closer, as you can see. I might end up snapping that plastic. I'm guessing in a couple days it might snap that. We'll see. Yeah, this one was kind of tough to get on there. But as you can see, there's the full figure. It's pretty nice. Let me get the... Okay, so here's one of the first ones I had. It's kind of dusty. The first series had Shoto, Todoroki, and Izuku Midoriya, but obviously need to have both of these together. Father and son, super important. Oh, and we can't forget, you know, the internet rumor, of course. Can't forget Dabi, the supposed other Todoroki. So, I mean, as you guys can see, these figures are fairly high quality for the cost. I mean, they put a lot of effort into their detail. So, I'm pretty happy with this one. For $18, it's not bad. Got it from Box Lunch on sale. The packing was really good, I thought, overall. So, thank you guys for watching. This is the Endeavor figure. And hopefully you guys can check out our podcast, which is on Saturdays at 8 p.m. Central Time, 9 p.m. Eastern. The Eternia Archives. It's also available on Spotify and all the other listening areas. So check us out. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time.